Is Saudi Arabia's ambitious $25 billion vision succeeding beyond its wildest dreams? Can driverless technology truly transform the chaos of a rapidly growing urban center? Just confirmed by Guinness World Records, the Riyadh Metro has shattered the global benchmark to become the world's longest fully driverless metro network, boasting a colossal 176 kilometers of track. This phenomenal achievement, which was formally recognized and reported globally on Friday, November 28, 2025, is more than just a record. It is a seismic shift in urban mobility for the Saudi capital and a major feather in the cap of the kingdom's Vision 2030. The system, which runs across 6 integrated lines and includes 85 stations, operates under a grade of Automation 4 or GOA4 model, meaning every single movement is managed by advanced centralized control centers with zero human intervention in the cab. This milestone instantly places Riyadh at the forefront of global transit technology, surpassing previous record holders like the Dubai Metro. The project's inauguration on November 27, 2024, marked the dawn of a new era, proving that large-scale automated infrastructure is no longer a dream, but a daily reality. The immediate impact: an easing of traffic congestion, a push towards environmental sustainability, and a dramatic enhancement of the quality of life for Riyadh's rapidly expanding population. This is the 1-minute short summary of this news report. For detailed report, keep watching this report further. To truly understand the magnitude of this record, we must look at the King Abdulaziz project for Riyadh public transport, which began with the government's approval back in 2012. The need was clear. Riyadh's population was skyrocketing and the city's roads were suffocating under vehicular load. In July 2013, the initial contracts valued at enormous $22.5 billion were awarded to major international consortiums, including global giants like Bechtel, Siemens, Bombardier and Alstom. Construction officially began in 2014. The sheer complexity was staggering. Over a roughly decade, teams carried out massive civil works, including deep underground tunneling and building vast viaducts for the elevated sections. Key milestones included the completion of tunneling in 2016 and the installation of state-of-the-art rolling stock, nearly 190 trains engineered for comfort and energy efficiency. The system wasn't just built for speed, but for sustainability, regenerative. Braking systems convert kinetic energy back into electricity, and solar panels have been installed on all 3 depots to support Saudi Arabia's broader environmental goals of cutting carbon emissions. By December 2024, the first lines were operational and the final systems were fully commissioned by January 2025, which is the date cited by the Guinness World Records